Check this out, y'all. This is where the airplanes are now. I decided to put them on display because the airport was getting a little bit messy and dusty. So we have them all sorted by airlines and transportation. There's just all my domestics, and these are the internationals. And there's United. So, focus. This camera's having trouble today. What? This camera's not focusing. There's my Hawaiian A330-200. Cathay Pacific 747-400. Asia's World City livery. Aer Lingus' A320. British Airways 747-400. Qantas A380. Little focus. There we go. Here's Emirates' A380. Here's Air Canada's 777. Aeromexico's 787-8. And Air Canada, little focus. There it goes. This is probably my longest aircraft. This thing is humongous. It's a 777-300ER. Here's my United Airlines Q400. I put it on the stand. And Aeromexico's 787-8. I think I already showed that. Moving down, we have the domestics. Frontier, A319 Hector Sea Otter. Alaska, 737-400. JetBlue A320. Spirit A320. Allegiant A320. A lot of people have been saying this is a terrible airline. They don't clean their planes, that's what. And plus their planes are always having trouble because they're very old. Moving down, here's Southwest. 737-800 Heart 1. 737-300 Canadian Blue. And Triple Crown 1, 737-700. Moving over, United 74. Oh my god. Woo, that's a bit. Oh my god, this camera's not focusing today. There it goes. United 777-200 ER. Lufthansa Cargo MD-11. UPS 747-400. And FedEx 777F. Moving up, we have American and Delta. Delta 757-300. Beautiful. Delta 737-800. If the camera will pick up focus. There it goes. Beautiful. This Cole, you saw Cole in the 500 subscribers special. It's his because look, minor paint scratch right there. The camera will focus. I don't think you can see there. And Delta 747-400, very humongous. Delta, this is mine. You can tell it's mine because it has no paint scratch. And this is probably almost everyone's favorite, Delta MD-90. It's very cute. American 777-300ER, American 787-8, and American 737-800 retro livery. And as we come over here, here's all the other usual stuff. Here's Airbus's hangar, Cardinals, Airbus A380, US Airways. That's Cole's. The back tail's missing. My C-17, my Antonov 124, AirTran, it's retired, and Boeing 787. Oh, the camera will pick up focus. Up. There it goes. And here's all the other stuff oh god, focus. There it goes. And yeah, there's the seaplane and the rubber band plane. It's broken. And there's my display over here. This is a lot. Here's a little control tower I built. Focus. There we go. Yep, Singapore Changi Airport Control Tower. So yeah, there's all my other planes, my aviation books, and some of my aviation posters, and my world map. I heart airplanes. If it's Boeing, I'm not going. I haven't built that thing yet. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Oh my god, this camera's not wanting to focus. Oh. There it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is our new airplane display. So, stay tuned for more results. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later.